Alright, so I was working on the Subaru WRX and one of the Caliper Carrier bolt broke off. The head broke. I was lucky to remove the other one, and this was all the way inside. So what I did was I used a torch. I torched it for about 5 minutes, and then I used the rust penetrant and I let it soak a little bit. And afterwards, well, what I did was I used this kit. It is a bolt extractor kit. I used the 11, and the 11 right away it was able to bite into the broken head bolt like this. So I was able to bite it off, luckily. And what I did was I used the one that had a good bolt like this. I put it like this, and then I put back the bolt and tighten it a little bit. And then this broken bolt, well, it was there, and I used a ratchet with a pipe, and then I was able to remove it successfully. I don't have the torch they use at the shops, but I was able to use the bolt extractor because luckily the head broke off and it kind of gave me a lot of threads. You can see the part. So this lower part was stuck in, and then the top part, well, I tried to use a what's it called, a pliers, not pliers, but what's it called, this, right, vice grips. I tried to use vice grip with no chances, and then I was like, crap, I do have a bolt extractor, let's give it a try. And it did work. So if ever you have a broken head off, well, that's what you can do. But in order to remove the carrier, which had a broken bolt, you have to loosen the rotor first, and then after that you'll be able to kind of slide it off, and you'll be able to extract the bolt like I did. So I wish you guys good luck. It happens a lot on Subarus. They don't use very high grade bolts. I believe this is like a grade 8. They should use like 10.9 because 17. This is a 17 mm head bolt, and usually Toyota, Nissan, whatever I work, they use 19, sometimes even 21 depending on the car, but most of the time it's like 19. So yeah, I'm really surprised. Well, I'm not surprised. Subaru always underuse the bolts sizes, I find, and they tend to rust more than the components, rust more than the other cars. So good luck, guys, and I hope it helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you guys, click the like button. If not, write a comment down below. Maybe I'll be able to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.